Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Shahlan. रमज़ान मुबारक. पहला रोज़ा जो शहीदी हो रहा है. It is 4:23 a.m. and I'm eating palak chicken and roti. So good morning, everyone. It is 10:30 sharp. 10:30. चने पक रहे हैं. Nice. I don't know why चने पक रहे हैं अभी से, but पक रहे हैं. Yeah. So today is the first day of Ramadan, and I thought let's start by cleaning my room. So I finished cleaning my wardrobe. Now there's this mess which I have to clean, the books. So that I have to clean. After that we'll see what we have to do. Something. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. My God, why everyone feels so sleepy first day. So yeah, I'll clean that and we'll do something. Hi, I'm halfway through the the cleaning of the books. But still, there are some things, left. These books, first year ke notes, and these are also the first year ke notes. Where this is, and yeah, I don't know what to do about them. I need to keep it somewhere, but where? Where should I keep it? I don't know. So no, I'm just gonna leave it like this for some while. Go freshen up, I guess, and come back and think that through. Also, my psychology textbook is missing. I don't know by whom. If someone has taken, please return it. No, I don't know where it is. It's not here. Psychology, only sociology is there. Psychology, sociology exam, did I take it and go? I did take it and go. It's with Preeti. Preeti, tere paas hai? I think so. So yeah, I'll go freshen up and then I'll come back. Auntie, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇವತ್ತು?
छोले.
मम्मी इफ्तारी को छोले भी वो फ्राइज पूरी में वो फ्राइज इसमें सुंदर है तले पूरी तले बात 1 hour है. कैसा था मम्मी आज का फर्स्ट रोजा?
अल्लाह मुझे सकता है मम्मी मुझे बोलना नहीं तो पकड़े तो नहीं.
ये पूरा डालता हूँ ब्लॉग में, एडिट कर, वो स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं था ना ब्लॉग. देखो इस तरफ पलट को बोलोगे क्योंकि ये नहीं लाइट बराबर आता है इसमें. कैसा था फर्स्ट रोजा?
Very tiring.
वेदर अच्छा था नहीं?
Weather is very good. Mashallah.
अब रमजान के वास्ते हाँ.
Thanks for that. Since we had walked a lot, but now
Tired.
we are very tiring.
I was at home
Had
only.
a lot of too much to do. भी डालते हैं ब्लॉग में.
डालना क्या? ಆಂಟಿ ಇರಿ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ?
छोले मसाला.
ಚೋಲೆ ಮಸಾಲ. ಚೋಲೆ ಮಸಾಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೂರಿ.
ಪೂರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದು ಪಾತ್ರೆ ಕಾಯಿ
ಪೂರಿ
ಕಡಾಯಿ.
ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಕಡಾಯಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಮೇನ್ ಮಸಾಲೆ ಏನಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಗ್ರೇವಿ, ಟೊಮೆಟೊ, ಆನಿಯನ್ ಮಸಾಲ, ಗರಂ ಮಸಾಲ, ಜಿಂಜರ್ ಗಾರ್ಲಿಕ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್, ಜೀರಾ ತಡ್ಕ.
ಓಹ್ ಕರಿ ಲೀಫ್ ಅದು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಲಿ.
बे लीफ. क्या डिफरेंस बे लीफ और करी लीफ में?
ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ ಟು
ಏನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಂಟಿ ಬೇ ಲೀಫ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕರಿ ಲೀಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇದು ಗರಂ ಮಸಾಲ ಬೇ ಲೀಫ್ ಇದು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಕರಿಬೇವು ಲೀಫ್ ಅದರದ್ದು ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಹೆಲ್ದಿ, ಶುಗರ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹರ್ಬ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಬಚ್ಚಾ?
ಎಸ್.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ನೋಡು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮಗ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ.
ಆ ಮಮ್ಮಿ पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट अला
ಅದೇ
एमए लिटरेचर मंजे करने नहीं दिए फिजियोथेरेपी कराने चलते वाले. अच्छा sorry I would have excelled in that. I'm just saying. Okay, I'm gonna go. Oh, that is different thing but still मस्कमेलन काटा जा रहा है यहाँ पे. 3 डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज में मैं ब्लॉग कर डालिया. कन्नड़ा में बोल डालिया, इंग्लिश में बोल डालिया, हिंदी में. अब मारता नहीं है मुझे इतना. Guys, please cooperate. Bangaloreans have
आइस ये हुआ तो देखो.
the weather today is so pleasant and it does rain in some parts of Bangalore, Korumangala, RR Nagar and Magadi Road and some parts of JP Nagar and also I believe Kanakpura Road. So yeah, here it is not rain. I mean it drizzled for I think 5 minutes, but after that it's just pleasant. It's not even raining, but it's not hot at all. The weather is so pleasant today, and it feels like there's blessings of Allah. Just that summer ko hata ke, not summer ko hata ke, but in the midst of the heat, itna pleasant sa weather or wind blowing from here to there. It is good. It's very good. See, you can see it's all cloudy and mushy and it's so good. So yeah, it feels very good to fast during these days. It's pleasant and it's easier to fast during these type of days. It's not hot, and so that is what gives happiness, joy, and it's what is the time? 5:50, and the iftari time in Bangalore is 6:33 p.m. and it is 43 minutes, I guess, if I'm not wrong. 43 minutes. So yeah, good day. So good day till now. Then no problem, except my mom and my dad who went to Chickpet to shopping, and they were walking around fasting. So yeah, that is there, but the first day of Ramzan going well, all going well till now. तो कोई tension नहीं, praying namaz and I cleaned, I finished so many things. Wow. So yeah, it is good. और बस इतना ही. I'll keep you updated on what's for iftari. So keep watching what's for iftari. ಅದು ಪೆರಿ ಪೆರಿ ಮಸಾಲ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Assalamu alaikum. It is 6:23. It's 10 minutes for the iftar. So 10 minutes use करने के लिए I'm gonna be reading Yasin Sharif. So yeah. Hey guys, so that was the end of the first day of Ramadan vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I couldn't end the vlog yesterday because after eating iftari I couldn't. After eating iftari I was too tired and RCB won. So I couldn't end the vlog, so I'm ending it now. So if you like this vlog, please like the video and share it with your friends and comment down what you ate for iftari, because I want to know and I want to try new things. So comment down and keep watching Shahulayan vlogs. Until then, bye bye.